Hello everyone, welcome for this video. Today in this video, I am Devendra Mato in front of you to just as a beginner to how to communicate with people in English with the fluent language with the Indian accent. Now for the coming to the video, first of all, this video will be helping you to making yourself to be very much confident and lots of things that should involve yourself to be very much in your life because to becoming to be a very grateful person you have to be take a decision toward yourself that how you are and how you become. For example, I have a fear of camera, but but in today's time I have minimized the fear of camera because in front of camera I fear that what I can say something about myself and what can I will say for any of the thing. So that after a long interval of time, I reduce the fear and by taking a small improvement in myself and I was unable to in front of any one of them or any one of the camera to express my thoughts and express my knowledge that in my mind. So that it was an amazing footstep for myself. And let's start or begin the conversation. First of all, to begin the conversation, I wanted to share about that in today's video I want to express the video as a explaining video or the summarizing the video of the book Atomic Habit, because if I was standing in this place to record the video in front of the camera, the whole credit was goes to this book, because Atomic Habit by James Clear, because it was very much necessary book for myself. If this book was not in front of me, then I would say that I was not supposing to that record the video or publish the video anymore, because there was having a in my mentality that everything will be happen in the future, I will do it future, time will be come and I will do anything. But this will take create a mentality of a low degrading mindset, because if I wanted to communicate with a person who is in front of me or he is not in front of me, if I couldn't try and I wanted to becoming to be a very fluent in English, this would be very much difficult for me to grab this language. So that this book helped me to take a small change in your life can create a life a very successful person. So that I have taken a decision to communicate a conversation with any of the person. So that let us try to explain how I can able to be express my thought in reference of the book the fundamentals, sorry, the Atomic Habit. Let's coming to the book the fundamental, why tiny changes make a big difference, as there was written in this book. Now coming to the first chapter of this book, there was noticed that there was called that the surprising power of Atomic Habit. What is the surprising power of Atomic Habit? Actually the surprising power of Atomic Habit says that a question was asking from ourselves that why small habit make a big difference. The question is that every person has the book according to this book has says that what type of information that we get from ourselves, that a small difference of habit make a bigger difference in ourselves, because if we take according to the book, improving by 1% is not particularly noticeable, sometimes it's not it is not noticeable, but in the it can be far for more meaningful, especially in the long run. Because let's suppose an example that a person who was communicating each day as improving 1% or try to communicate with the people as English, and after 100 days he becoming to be a growth related person, or he becoming to be the mastering his accent or mastering his lots of information about the how to tell anything about in front of camera, and many more ideas that he can deliver through his voice. And first of all, a person who want to express his thought he has to learn learn how to speak people, or how to speak any information, or delivered any information to the people. This would be very much important for us, so that improving 1% is very much necessary. Let's take here the example that 1% better every day. As you can see the graph, hope the graph was not seen to be very well, but today in this video I explain that if we are if we are improving 1% daily, there was having a lots of problem to making a consistent toward ourselves. But in this graph here seen that the result is bettering day to day life when we are improving with a 1%. If we are decline with a 1%, we are declining to decrease ourselves, or this is the improvement level as dotted line represent. But after the time, if we decrease ourselves to 1%, then we goes to the down. And as this point has says that if we improve ourselves with a 1%, after a 1 year we improve ourselves as a 35%. If we decrease ourselves as a 1%, we goes to 0.003% of decline ourselves. And for the person who wanted to grew up, he has to just to take an initial step toward this. So that this was the explanation. And I have also taken example, so that let's supposing in a cup of water, so that how take a boil toward it, and taking that the water will start boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. We all know that, but we give the temperature as 1 degree, increasing in 1 degree Celsius with the small interval of time. Let's suppose the temperature was 1 degree, after 10 degree, 20, 30, 40 up to 90, and the temperature till up to the 99 degree, but the water could not boiling. But after taking the inversion of degree of just 1 degree, the water start gets boiling, because of the not to get the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, or not to get the temperature of 1 degree involvement. The small in, because in every interval of time, increasement of 1 degree temperature was shown, because the initially the temperature was 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, and after that 80 degree, 90 degree, 80, 95 degree, 96, 97, and dash, and after the 99 degree the water start gets boiling. Because the water gets boiling is to the reason of adding or compounding the power of addition to the water, addition to the whole temperature. And after the result was coming through ourselves, because as much as the temperature was coming, and after the 100 degrees Celsius, the whole temperature make the water start boil, so that it will be happening to ourselves. Now let's coming to the another point, that your habit can compound for you or again you. Because into there were having 2 points. The points has positive compounding and negative compounding. The positive compounding says that always a person having productive compound, as it would be say that a person who has doing positive work himself, make his mindset as a positive person, who has always thought like a positive person. And also having the, if a person who has positively charged people in front of them, then he was also having a knowledging compound, because he has always trying to learn something and improve himself or himself. For sorry for the delay. And let's continue to again that in this book, how to know that what progress is really like. Into the previous video we have seen that temperature was increases, and up to the small increment of 1 degree temperature, the water get start boiling because of not to just involving the 1 degree temperature, but compounding the temperature as from 1 degree to 99 degree. The whole compounding the result into the inversion of 1 degree 1 degree boiling in 1 degree improvement in the temperature. So that the compounding is habit your compounding is very much necessary for yourself. The plateau of latent potential, that was happened that first of all in our mindset we thought that what is actually happened and what is actually would be happened toward ourselves, that but that was we are happening thinking about ourselves, that was totally was wrong, because it was not happening in front of us, but we assume that we are growth as long as shown in this graph, that this graph shows that the graph shows parallelly, or the graph shows going to the upward. This shows that we what actually happen, or the what should we think you happen, that we should think that we are constantly according to the time, we are just constantly improving ourselves, as this line graph of the time says that the result and the time result need the time, because if you are just entering any of the field, you need to becoming to be the best version of your life, so that you have to work much more time. So that the in this graph shows that we have to improve ourselves, but we think actually like this, we are growing as a small inversion, but actually it was not to be happened, the growth was coming from the this to this. So that compounding of the result just booming ourselves to be a very grateful successful person. Sorry that ha forgotten about the goal focus system instead. What I learned from this, this was says that if your coach sorry, what difference in a system or a goal? The system says that if you are a person, the difference between system or a goal, that a goal of a person who was just dedicated to it, and after that he losing himself to be becoming to be a unhealthier people. Because if you're the system of a person who has to be just let's suppose an example that a person who was just wake up in the morning and doing the exercises and eat the healthy food just for just for himself to be improving day by day in his life. But another a person who was just to say the achieving the goal, that he wants to just attain muscles to himself, to just a single goal for himself. But the system or the goal has very much difference. After getting the muscles or the some muscles, the person loses himself to be a poor own condition that he was started from it, so that it would be very much difficult for them. So the first thing is that you have to just focusing upon your system. The system is very much needed, because after the success you have to maintain upon yourself, because the success was not maintained for ourselves. We have to continuously create improvement and doing much more things, so that we have to just focusing upon the system, not for the goal. Goal is a single time, and after the approaching the goal, we are just going backward to this place, which place we are coming from there, and we are just not doing anything. So that this was important for it. If you are a coach and your goal might be to win a champion, your system is always you will require player, manage your assistants, coach, and the conduct practice. So that as the book says that if I was a coach, or sorry, if also some example says that if you are an entrepreneur, your goal might be to build $1 million business. Your system is how to test product ideas, hire employee, and run marketing campaign. Now for interesting question, if you are completely ignoring goals and focus only on the our system, would you still succeed? For example, if you are a basketball coach and you ignored your goal, are you getting my point? As you ignoring your goal, win a championship, focus only on what your team does practice each day, what you still get result, I think you would. So that the problem in ourselves, that the first of all, as the book says, that the goal indicate ourselves to be a growth, not growth, but just to stay a mentality that just to attain the fixed thing, and after that we take a lots of rest and doing nothing. This was not to be very much sufficient for ourselves. And let's see what happened. The another problem, let's coming to the problem. Basically we have to first of all coming to the solution. We have need the problem that we have with ourselves. The first problem is that winner and loser have the same goal, but the winner will approach it, receive it, but the loser will not receive it. The loser will not achieve it, because the only reason is that the loser always assuming that this will happen, this will be after making the roadmap in his mind, and could not try to complete it. But the winners always try that coming to the improvement in the basic improvement in himself. Because let's suppose that if a person who wanted to becoming to be scored good marks in the examination, but he has always practicing for a year mathematics questions, or reading books, learning questions, doing experiments and lots of things. After a year he was becoming to be a person who has lots of skill developed in himself, that he improved the marks to much more. But the loser has said that in his mind, I have just not improve or just not do anything, and after the time last week I have done through it, and the lots of work will be done for ourselves. But because as we know that if we saying that these things were and nothing to be happened, so that it would also say that very much difficult for them. And the another problem is that achieving a goal is only a momentary change. Achieving a goal is a momentary change. How can we say? Because a goal is achieved just a momentary time. For example, a person who receive a gold medal from a Olympic, and after that he receive after that receiving the goal, he was just not to engage, not to enjoy it, but just a momentary goal. And then after now he was just involving himself to be a great successful person, and the system was failed. But a system related person who try to take decision that it's just a small beginning, and after the time we have to improve 1% again, he is trying for the many more Olympic, and playing the games and receiving the and more. So that the system is very much necessary. And another point is that goal restricted your happiness. For example, a person who this was a very much big problem for the goal, that a person who wanted to top in his examination, but he said that he thought that when I was get topped in my examination, I was very much happy, and after a time I was so much happy toward myself, and to becoming to be a very much wealthy people. But at the same time more people, sorry to say, I have to wait for the video, a call from my friend. Now continue to the point that goals restricted your happiness. Because if we, even we say that our goal is to just achieving the good marks or good score in the examination, our goal is to get muscles from ourselves, or improving ourselves, just to get this goal. After time what will we do? First of all we have to focusing upon ourself, or say that first of all ourself or our system. Because system is first of all improved, then we improve ourselves as a improved person. Another point is that goals are at odds with long term progress. Odds or added, so that goals should be that odds as the time was passed. Because in this video say that goal oriented mindset can create yo-yo effect. What is the yo-yo effect? Let's suppose to say that see that many runners work hard for a month, but soon as they cross a finish line, they stop training. The race is no longer there to motivate them. When all of your hard work is focused on a particular goal, why is left to push you forward after to achieve it? This is why many people find themselves reverting to their old habit after accomplishing a goal. The purpose of setting goal is to win game. As the I have explaining toward the uh, written in this book that we have a single goal to ourselves that just yo-yo effect. The yo-yo effect say that if a person who just wanted to just complete the game or win the game or achieving the good marks with himself, and after that he was back to his own schedule. That let's suppose a person who was working very hard for the Olympic Games and doing many more work, very much hard work, starting very much long run, take a particular exercise, and after that, after a month, they try to take a motivation. No one get him motivated to achieve the another goal, another success, because they will just losing the hope or not doing anything. The single reason is that you have to focusing upon your goal, not for we have to improve 1% every day for the long term, not to the small interval of term. As yeah, as you can see, how I can see, the confidence was very much increased, and I was very much supposing to be a bombard, because from past a day I was not to be very much a fear person, that I will get a fear that how I can talk to with the person in front of the camera. But now a time I totally remember that no one person who wanted to watch the video until this time, so that this is the time. But this will be very much important for myself, that I will improve myself. Last point is that a system of atomic habit, how it's work. Just taking as a atom, the atom are a block of a molecule. Atomic habit are building block of a remarkable result, because as from the previous example of the boiling water I have explained, and another the chapter was finished, and how to goals were added, you will get the point. And not to supposing the not to supposing ourselves to be a very much doing the achieving the hard work at not at the starting the beginning, and lose the hope, and going to be demoralize ourselves, and not doing many more the hard work, so that we have to focusing upon our hard work. Let now summarizing the book, the how the chapter completed. Let the summarize that the first point summarize that habit are the compounding interest of self improvement. Getting 1% better every day count for a long in the long run, lot in the long run. The first point. And another summary chapter summary says that habit are double edged sword. They can work for you or against you, which is why understanding the detail is essential. And another point is that the small changes often appear to make no difference until you cross a critical threshold. The most powerful outcome of any compounding process are delayed. You need to be patient. Last point is say that an atomic habit is a little habit that is a part of large system, just as atom are building block of molecule. Atomic habit are the building block of remarkable result. Last second. If you want to better result, then forget about setting goals. Focus on your system instead. Not to focusing, because every person, lots of people, 100 people, let's start to try to achieve the examination, get the result. But after, what can he will do? First of all, we have to focusing upon the goal. Sorry, system. Last point is that you do not rise to level of your goals, you fall to level of your system. That's 2 days for the video, and the book was over. And last point was chapter 2, that will be covered in the tomorrow's video. said, so that this video will be helping for yourself. And now to after the time closing the video, and hope this video will be helping for yourself. And dhanyavad for watching the video till now, and thanking for you, just meeting you at another time. Bye bye.